Here's interesting app which you can try out. Puff Count, track usage and quit vaping. So it can help you out to quit vaping, obviously. And it's one of the top apps in this category, which you can try out. This video is not like a medical advice. I'm not a doctor, so just explore at your own consideration. Puff Count is a prone-to-work app that will help you to quit vaping. Join our 100,000 users who use Puff Count and start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. It has these features: vape tracker, track puffs, track nicotine intake, goal tracking. So super interesting features. Plus, and then the new puff is added. Then you can add in settings and you can set your daily puff limit. You can set strengths, but to do that, you will need to upgrade. So yeah, here is a upgrade option. It's only $3.99 per month, 3-day free trial. So it's actually not that expensive, especially if you actually quit vaping. That's super cheap price. And with the upgraded option, you can track your progress with no limits, create your personalized quit plan, customize your daily limits and goals, enjoy an ad-free app experience. So you can do that. Then quit plan is here, but it's not loading because I'm not on a paid plan. Then there is quit buddies, so I can add a new buddy.